Good morning, all of you. In last lecture, we already discussed about the electronic configuration, arrangement of electron in the atom. In this lecture, we try to discuss about the valency. Yes, see there, what is the valency? I already told in atom, the last shell in which electron is found is there, that is called valence shell. Now try to see the what is the valency? The number of electron gain or loss. Total number of electron gain or loss is called valency. Yes, try to find out the valency of 1 to 20 element. Yes, first of all, see what is the valency? Number of electron gain or loss. For example, you take sodium. Yes, their sodium electronic configuration is a 281 KLM shell. 281. You are able to find out the valency by using electronic configuration only, and you also able to know about the element nature cation or anion by using valency and electronic configuration. So electronic configuration is very important for everything. Keep in mind. Yes, what is the valency? Number of electron gain or loss. You know, in a first shell, the always 2 electron is there. Complete. First shell complete there. Second shell always 2 electron is there. 8 seats are there already filled. In third shell, how many total seats are there? Total electrons are there? 18. But here one only. One only. They try to fill the 17 electron. They want 17 electron. In first shell, 2 electron is stable. In second shell, 8 electron is stable. In third shell, 18 electron is stable. In next shell, 32 electron is stable. So here atom element try to be stable to complete their electronic configuration. In third shell is not complete here. So they will try to make the bond with other. For example, sodium. Yes, sodium 281 and you know chlorine 287. So one electron is there. Sodium try to make the bond with other to complete their electronic configuration. They want 17 electron, but the 17 electron is not possible. One rule is there. Total gain or loss of electron possible is 4 only. Every element able to take 4 electron, gain 4 electron or lose 4 electron maximum. So here not possible to take 17 electron. Serious. They are possible to complete the 18 electron. So they are satisfied with the 8. वो अगर कहता है अगर 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकता तो क्यों ना 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन ही कंप्लीट कर लिए जाए. ऑक्टेट रूल. There was the octet rule. Keep in mind. So sodium try to complete here 8 electron. It means third shell KLM. In third shell 8 also stable, 18 also stable. Same in fourth shell. You know total electron 32. It means if 8 electron is there, that is also stable, 18 32. Yes, N. O 50 electrons. So here 8, 18, 32, everything, these things are stable. Yes. So see there. Here 1 electron is there. So there one condition. If they lose 1 electron, they become 2 and 8. That is also stable. Yeah, they take 17 electron, but this is not possible. This is not possible 17 to take the 17 electron. If a configuration like that, 2, 8, 14, then they are able to take 4. According to this rule, valency rule, 4. Able to take 4 electron. Then it becomes 2, 8, 18. But if electron in last shell becomes 3, 4, 5, 6 something down, how it is able to complete the 18 electrons? Unable to complete the 18 electrons. So yes, here 281, they want 17 electron. But you think about that, to lose 1 electron is easy or to take 17 electron is easy. So which one thing is easy? Yes, easy thing is the loss of 1 electron. Keep in mind. Another example you take 282 magnesium. Yes, Here, you know, first shell complete, second shell, third shell, how many electrons they want? 18. They want 16 electron. It is possible to gain 16 electron? No. So loss of 2 electron. Loss of 2 electron. In 283, not possible to take the complete the 18 electron. How many electron? 15 want. But they also lose loss of 3 electron. Yes, in 284, loss of 4 electron. So it means their valency of sodium is a 1. Number of electron gain or loss. How many loss? That is 1. So 1. Here 2, 3, 4. Yes, if valency is a, yes, see. If valency for 15, 2, 8, 5 electronic configuration. Here they want 18. Not possible. 18 not possible. So according to octet rule, they try to complete 8 electrons. So here to complete 8 electron, how many electrons they want? 3. But if they want to try to lose the electron, they also want, they lose the electron, 5 electron. So which thing is easy? To gain 3 electron. To gain 3 electron is easy, or to lose 5 electron. In which thing the more energy require? In more energy require in to gain, yes, to lose 5 electron. So they try to gain 3 electron here. So valency is a 3. Which thing is easy? 286. Yes, for the phosphorus. This was the phosphorus. This for the sulfur. 286. 18 so not possible. So they try to complete the 8 only. So here 6. So how many electron they want to complete 8? Octet rule 2. They try. There are 2 options. Lose 6 electron or gain 2 electron. Which one is easy? Gain 2 electron. So valency is 2. If 287 chlorine. Yes, chlorine 15, 16, 17. Yes, in last shell 17 electron. They want 11 electron to complete 18. Not possible. I already told with third shell 8 also stable, 18 also stable. So here you 7, they want 11 electrons. Not possible. So to complete 8, they want 1 electron. Here lose 7, only gain 1 electron. Valency is 1. Yes, argon 18, 288. 18 also not possible. Now they try to lose 8, not possible. Maximum 4 able to lose only, or 4 able to gain only. So it means their 8 completed, octet rule completed, their valency is a 0. No gain, no loss. No gain, no loss. No loss of electron. Yes, see, come for the 19 and 20. Potassium and calcium. Yes, potassium configuration. 2881Y. If we take 9 here, try to find out their valency. They try to complete 18 electron, but it is not possible. It is not possible to lose 9 electron or gain 9 electron. They are satisfied with the only 8 electron here, octet rule, and the next electron go in the next shell. So try to find out, now try to find out the valency. Here 1 electron. So they want 32 complete, not possible. 18 also not possible. So only 4 gain or loss. Yes, only 4 or gain or loss. So they try to complete 8 electron. In first, second, third shell, 8 also stable, 18 also. In fourth shell, 8, 18 and 32. In next shell, 8, 18, 32, 50. Yes, here they try to complete 8. How many electron they want? 7. Yeah, 1 lose easy. If lose easy, then also stable. Yes. Loss of 1 electron. Then their valency 1. Valency 1. Yes. Next is the calcium 20. 2882. Same pattern. Already told about the potassium. Same pattern of the calcium. If they take 10, 18, complete 18 electron not possible, and lose 10 electron not possible. So you are write the electron configuration like that. So here 2 electron they try to complete 8 electron. How many electron they want? 6. So 2 loss is easy or gain of 6 is easy. Yes. Loss of 2 electron. Yes. So valency is a 2. So it is a very easy to find out the valency. Yes. Now we try to see about the valency of 1 to 10. This is a 10, 11 to 20. Yes, 1. Hydrogen. Their configuration KLMN. Valency. Yes, configuration of hydrogen 1. In first shell they want 2 electron. Both things are possible. To lose 1 electron become 0, then also stable. If gain 1 electron, then it become 2 duplet, then also stable. Their valency is 1. एक ले भी सकता और एक दे भी सकता. Second helium 2. First shell completed, next empty. It means they not require any electron. Completed stable already, noble gas, which not require any electron, that is called noble gases. Yes, third hydrogen, helium, lithium. Lithium is a 2 1. Yes, 2 1. In second shell they want 7 electron, not possible. To gain 7 electron, maximum 4 electron gain or loss possible. So here they lose 1 electron, it means valency is a 1. Yes, beryllium 2 2. Yes, here they want 6 electron. To gain 6 electron is easy or to lose is easy. To how many? 2, so 2 valency. Yes, 5. Boron 2 or 3. Here they want how many electrons? 5. To complete 8, octet rule. To lose 3 easy or gain 5 is easy. 3. Lose, loss. Yes, next 6. Yes, carbon 2 or 4. Yes, see that 4 ले भी सकता है और 4 दे भी सकता है. Both things are possible. Their valency is 4. Yes, 7. 7. Nitrogen. Yes, 2 5. Here they want 3 electron to complete octet. Gain 3 is easier, lose 5 is easy. Yes, gain 3. Valency is 3. Yes, oxygen 2 6. So their valency is 2 because they want 2 electron to complete there. Yes, 6 electron lose is easier, to gain 2 electron is easy. Yes, now come on the yes, now come on the 10. 9 is the fluorine 2 7 and 10 is a neon 2 8. Yes, 2 7. Here they want 1 electron, 7 electron. Yes, so electronic their valency is a yes, see there. Yes, their valency is a 1. So gain 1 is easy or lose 7 is easy. Yes, gain 1. So here the electron gained by the element. Yes, here 8 2 8 complete. No require an electron, noble gas. That is called noble gas. Yes. Same for the argon. Argon is also noble gas. Argon their valency 2 8 8. Complete. Here 8 electron complete, here electron 18 not possible. 8 completed. That is also called a noble gas. They not try to make the bond with other. Because other element which one has the they want electron lose or gain, they try to make the bond with the other. But the noble gas not try to make the bond with the other. Keep in mind. Yes. Now the another way to find out the valency. Up in valence shell up to 4 valency is same 1 2 3 or 4, see there. But when we go down 5 6 you always minus. For example, for the nitrogen, see there. Yes, see there. For the nitrogen 2 5. Yes, for upper one the valency 1 2 3 same is there, but for the next if 5 electron is there you always minus from the 8. For 2 6 8, last shell valence shell electron minus with 8 6. So their valency is a 3, their valency is a 2. Yes, next is the fluorine 2 7. So 7 8 minus 7 1. There are two way to find out the valency. 2 8 8 तो 8 minus 8 बैलेंस शेल को माइनस करना है 0. This is the second way to find out the number of electron gain or loss, or second the valency. Yes, this is the second way to find out the valency. Now we try to know about the which thing is a metal, which thing is a non-metal. Keep in mind. Yes, which thing is a metal? Gain, that is the loss of electron. Which element lost the electron? For example, sodium 281 lose one electron. So one positive charge will come. One is a valency, positive is a charge. When the loss of electron is there, charge will come positive. That is called cation. So definition of cation: when the element lose their electron, they become positive charge. That is called cation. And when gain of electron is there, that is become negative charge. That is called anion. Anion. Sodium lost their electron, then it become positive charge. Or which one lose the electron? That is called metal. That is called metal, which lose the electron. Or which gain the electron, that is called non-metal. Now you not try to cram. You see their electronic configuration. It is very easy. Yes. Now we take the example of chlorine. Chlorine 287 configuration. Here they try to gain the one electron. Yes, when you gain the electron, you always put the electron this side, reactant side, then here chlorine become one negative. Negative charge will come. If one electron gain, one negative. If two electron gain, two negative charge will come. Two negative charge will come. If gain 3 electron, 3 negative charge will come. If loss 2 electron, 2 positive. If loss 3 electron is there, that is a 3 positive, like this. We take example first of all. Yes. Chlorine gain 1 electron, become 1 negative. See there, here no charge is there. Charge also conserve on both sides, like mass. Here see 0, minus 1. Here minus 1. The both side charge equal, keep in mind. If you put electron this side, then charge become minus 2. Here 0, not possible. When gain of electron is there, always put this side. When loss of electron is there, so charge will come 1 positive. If 1 electron loss, 1 positive, 2 positive, like this. Now here comes, here 0 charge overall. Here charge plus 1, minus 1. Overall, so that is, so charge on both sides equal. Reactant side also and product side also. So keep in mind, when loss of electron is there, always put this side. This was the notation. Yes. This was the cation and anion. We discussed the charge one by one. Yes, in case of hydrogen, configuration 2, configuration 1. So loss of 1 electron also, valency same. Charge, no charge. In charge will come when the gain electron is there, that is a negative charge. If loss is there, then negative charge. Positive charge. Helium, complete configuration, valency 0, no charge. No charge. Here charge positive also, maybe negative. When gain is there, negative. When loss is there, positive. Helium. Yes, hydrogen, helium, lithium, 2 1. Yes, 1 electron lose, valency 1 is there. So lose is there, so charge will come 1 positive. Positive, 1 positive. 4. Yes, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Then boron. Yes, for beryllium 2 2. Loss of 2 electron is there, so plus 2. Here 2, so charge will always come plus. Boron 2 3. Yes, valency 3. Loss plus 3. So like this you are able to find out the charge on the body. If a gain of electron is there, then charge is the negative. If a loss of the electron is there, then charge is the positive. One exceptional case is there, see there, carbon. Carbon 2 4. यस, यहाँ पे 4 ले भी सकता है और 4 दे भी सकता है. Here no charge will come. Yes. Just keep in mind, is the carbon is the metal, non-metal या metalloid? Yes, actually carbon is a non-metal. Here 4 ले भी सकता है और 4 दे भी सकता है, तो their exceptional case is a non-metal. Actually sodium is a metal or non-metal. See there 281. They lose 1 electron. It means there is a metal. Yes, and other example, chlorine 287. They gain 1 electron. It means a non-metal. So you are very easily able to find out. Yes. Now you try to find out what is the metal, non-metal, and metalloid. Which one lose the electron, that is called metal. Which gain the electron, that is called non-metal. Or which one not show the behavior of metal or not, that is called metalloid. जो मतलब 4 ले भी सकता है 4, that is called metalloid. But here carbon is exceptional case. Same for the silicon 284. 4 ले भी सकता है और 4 छोड़ भी सकता है. Yes. So this is my lecture. In next lecture, we discuss about the radicals. What is the radicals? Polyatomic ions, monatomic ions.